know, everyone's got to have something that's theirs. And for me, lemon water is my ritual that sets my day up for success. My name is Billy Highland, and I'm a creative director, copywriter. I'm a morning person, so every single morning I start with a glass of lemon water. And I just write myself a note or a message, something that serves as a reminder for myself. I made some big changes in my life, and a lot of them were focused around health. I found that by drinking lemon water, it aided in boosting your metabolism and aiding in digestion and giving you energy. And vitamin C also provides some immunity support. But to me, the real benefit is it just makes me feel good. I just love the sound of it and squirting everywhere and just that freshness. And it's just that one constant every day, the thing that I do for myself before my family wakes up and the day starts to unfold. It's super simple. It's something that makes me feel like I've accomplished something, I've done something good for myself. I'll pour a little bit of hot water in there. I usually have a carafe, and then I pour the rest of the water in there so it has about a room temperature to it because that aids in digestion. And then I drink it. Very simple. I've made a lot of changes in my life the last couple of years, but lemon water is my foundation. It is my one ritual that I do every single day. Every single morning we wake up, I have that lemon water, I'm in a good place.